In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on a video using Canva. Canva is not only a tool for creating stunning graphics and presentations, but it also offers some pretty nifty video editing features. One of these is the ability to zoom in on your video, which can be really handy for emphasizing details or refining the focus of your visuals. Let's jump right into it. First things first, head over to canva.com. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. You'll find the login button comfortably nestled in the top right corner of your screen. It's quick and easy. You can log in through Google, Facebook, or simply with your email account, whichever you prefer. Once you've signed in, you'll be on your Canva dashboard, your creative playground where all your ongoing projects live. Next, let's pick the project you're working on. Scroll through your list of projects and select the one that contains the video you'd like to edit. Don't have a project yet? No problem. Just create a new one by clicking on Create a Design and selecting Video from the options. Once you're inside your project, navigate through the elements in your design and choose the specific video clip you want to zoom in on. Now that you've located your video, click on it to enter the editing mode. You'll notice around your video there's a highlight box with small white dots dotted along its perimeter. These dots are your tools for zooming in and out. When you want to zoom in, click and drag these dots inward. Conversely, to zoom out, drag them outward. It's a simple, intuitive action that gives you complete control over how much of the video you want to highlight. As you manipulate the zoom, keep an eye on the preview to ensure the video maintains the composition you desire. This is where you can get creative. Perhaps you want to emphasize a person's expression, a particular object, or even a specific movement. If something doesn't look right, don't worry. Adjustments are as easy as dragging the dots until you're satisfied with how your video looks. Once you're happy with the result, take a moment to review how zooming in has affected the overall flow and message of your video. It's important that the zoom not only serves a purpose, but also enhances the viewer's experience. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've mastered a powerful tool in Canva to make your videos more engaging. So go ahead and try it yourself and see how zooming can bring a new dimension to your video presentations. Thank you for watching and happy creating.